As somebody who has been trading in the forex market for some time, I as of late chosen to evaluate OANDA as my agent. After spending some time using their platform and administrations, I feel certain about providing a review of my experience. In this video, we would be having an in-depth review on. Like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome tips and reviews and money-making ideas. Most importantly, the platform is easy to understand and easy to navigate. There are a variety of trading devices available, including charts and technical indicators, that are useful in analyzing the market. Additionally, the platform is customizable, allowing me to set up my workspace in a way that suits my trading style. One aspect of OANDA that separates them from other merchants is their transparency. They give detailed information on their spreads and expenses, which is important while calculating potential profits and misfortunes. I appreciate that they have no secret expenses or charges, which can some of the time be an issue with other merchants. Another feature that I find valuable is the ability to trade on a variety of markets, not simply forex. OANDA offers trading in commodities, indices, and bonds, among other things. This allows me to broaden my portfolio and take advantage of market open doors in various areas. Client care is also areas of strength for OANDA. They offer help every minute of every day, which is useful for traders in various time regions. I've viewed their representatives as knowledgeable and responsive, and they've had the option to assist me with any inquiries or issues that have come up. One disadvantage to OANDA is that they don't offer as many educational assets as a few other merchants. While they really do have a few basic aids and tutorials, I would appreciate more top-to-bottom educational materials to assist me with improving my trading abilities. I have had a positive experience trading with OANDA. Their platform is easy to utilize, their expenses are transparent, and their client support is magnificent. While they could work on their educational assets, it would in any case prescribe OANDA to other traders. So who OANDA is for? OANDA offers clients openness to a variety of financial instruments, yet is a solid match for seasoned traders looking for a stellar program-based work area trading experience. Item offerings vary by area. For example, US clients can trade FX. However, the intermediary boasts fast and reliable trade execution, research assets that are above industry standards, functional UIs, and a verifiable track record of regulatory oversight. ACES accepts US clients, regulated by FCA and NFA. Very much planned platforms. Unrivaled research offerings. Cons: no account assurance for US clients. No guaranteed stop misfortunes for US, or then, again, UK, clients. Traders in the US cannot access single stock, CFDs. Many ancillary charges. Experts explained. OANDA accepts US clients, making it one of only a handful of exceptional global online forex specialists to do as such. OANDA Corporation is an enlisted FDM and RFED, with the CFTC, and an individual from the NFA. OANDA Europe is authorized and regulated by the Assembled Kingdom's FCA. Clients in the UK are qualified for asset insurance up to £85,000, should the firm fail, through the Financial Administration's compensation plan. An abundance of relevant apparatuses and assets, including Dow Jones FX Select News, and various sorts of calculators, make FX Trade an amazing trading platform. Furthermore, the inclusion of TradingView, an advanced financial visualization platform, into OANDA's work area and online platforms is a major upside. OANDA offers a great array of monetary analysis, real-time news channels, calendars, and advanced data analytics that are unusual to find in a retail trading platform. Cons explained. OANDA doesn't offer negative balance security for US clients. This means that US traders with negative account balances can wind up owing cash to the agent. OANDA doesn't offer guaranteed stop misfortune orders for US, or then, again, UK, clients. For US clients, OANDA doesn't offer CFDs on individual stocks, ETFs, or industry areas. US clients are restricted to the in excess of 70 cash pairs concerning CFDs at OANDA, and can also straightforwardly trade digital forms of money through a partner company. OANDA charges a month-to-month inactivity expense in addition to expenses for stores withdrawals, bank wire transfers, and in the event that different check card withdrawals are made in the same month. Costs. OANDA generates income via the spread that it then offers to the client, as is the standard in the brokerage industry. Its spread construction is very straightforward and comprises of two pricing choices, spread in particular and center pricing commission. The previous generates income through client trades that cross the bid-ask spread, while the latter adds a base commission of $50 per million to the raw spread, which is on par with industry standards. Commission charges are aggregated and presented on client accounts as cash adjustments. These pricing choices are easy to find on OANDA's website and are available for both account types that the dealer offers, although the shown spreads will vary. For example, the minimum EU or USD spread for US clients on a standard account under the spread as it were model is 1.4 pips, while the center pricing commission model shows a raw spread of 0.4 pips. OANDA advertises the utilization of an automated engine to attempt to follow global pricing intently, however spreads are as yet likely to market volatility and liquidity. In keeping with its ethos of transparency, OANDA distributes historical spread data for all of its asset classes. US clients have the choice to participate in OANDA's Advanced Trader program, which is a four-layered reward framework and premium account for high-volume traders. Benefits include spread or commission limits, assignment to a dedicated relationship manager, API support, free VPS and wire transfers, and limited access to outsider platforms. Level 1 expects that the clients store at least $10,000 and have under $10 million of month-to-month trade volume. Level 2 is for the people who store at least $10,000 and have more than $10 million of month-to-month trade volume. Level 3 expects clients to have at least $100,000 in stores, or have at least $100 million in month-to-month trade volume, and Level 4 expects at least $250,000 in stores, and more than $500 million in month-to-month trade volume. The individuals who don't have $10,000 to qualify for the Advanced Trader program can open a standard account, which has no minimum. This account lacks advantages, for example, a relationship manager and free wire transfers. OANDA's forex funding expenses, charged on positions held for the time being, are portrayed as a mix of underlying liquidity suppliers next swap rates, adjusted by our ex-admin charge. In addition to a month-to-month inactivity charge of 10 units of the cash in which your account is denominated when there are no open trades in your account for a time of at least a year, the representative also records expenses for stores withdrawals, bank wire transfers, and different check card withdrawals in the same month. Trade experience. OANDA offers clients 3 ways to trade the markets with its flagship offering FX Trade, which is accessible via program or versatile application. In addition, it also offers the popular MetaTrader for download for work area, and versatile for trading on portable smart gadgets. FX Trade, OANDA's primary UI, is all-around planned and furnishes clients with access to trading instruments, complex request types, and account analytics. The work area variant offers proprietary charting, as well as advanced charting, from outsider supplier trading view. Clients can take full advantage of the OANDA's research offerings, including market pulse and autocartist technical analysis straightforwardly from the platform. However, the items will open up in a website page. OANDA's structure book displays client opinion, while its profundity of market gives insight into supply-demand dynamics. Additionally, an abundance of relevant devices and assets, including Dow Jones FX Select News, and various kinds of calculators make FX Trade a magnificent trading platform. The electronic offering includes charts from TradingView with advanced examinations and display styles, along with the vast majority of the functionality of the downloadable form. Clients also have the choice of trading straightforwardly from charts. Other features include customizable watch lists, news channels, research choices that open up in a program, and API access. OANDA offers a one-of-a-kind functionality by which the client has the choice to set trade defaults for individual instruments based on a particular amount of base cash, percentage of leveraged NAV, or amount in the account's money. This gives the client greater adaptability in their trading and aids in their overall gamble management. OANDA also offers clients a strong and more dynamic trading experience by partnering with outsider suppliers Multi-Charts, CQGFX, and TradingView. Furthermore, they offer VPS capability through outsider suppliers Beeks FX and Liquidity Interface. FX Trade offers for basic request types with the choice of attaching take profit and/or stop misfortune orders to them. There is also the choice for a trailing stop misfortune request. Additionally, clients can decide to draw their stops and lines based on cost or pips and pertinent information. For example, pip value, trade value, and margin required are displayed on the request ticket itself. Market the least complex request, where a trader signals that their trade solicitation ought to be executed at the prevailing market rate. Limit a pending request for which the section is at a predetermined point, underneath, or above the prevailing market rate depending on whether it's a trade. The trader also has the choice of selecting the expiration season of this request. Take profit automatically shuts an open request when the exchange rate reaches a predetermined edge. Stop misfortune, a cautious request protecting you from further misfortune. It will automatically close a vacant position in the event that the exchange rate moves against you and reaches a predefined level. Trailing stop used to restrict losses and avoid margin closeouts. It will close the trade on the off chance that the market moves against you and reaches a predetermined limit. Nonetheless, when the market moves favorably, the trigger level adjusts to maintain the same distance from the ongoing cost. Clients can also utilize the popular MetaTrader 4 platform for trading. MD4 includes advanced charting, studies, watch lists, and trade automation through Master Advisor plugins that many traders appreciate. Because the MD4 platform is a notable industry standard, traders moving to OANDA from other dealers will be familiar with its functionality. On the drawback, the look and feel of the application are somewhat dated, and a few capabilities can be cumbersome. The FX Trade versatile trading platform crams a noteworthy amount of functionality into a small platform, to the point that it is almost as strong as the work area application. Traders can access OANDA's trading instruments, complex request types, and account analytics all from their cell phones. The versatile platform also includes charts with value overlays, indicators, and adaptable display styles, as well as the ability to trade straightforwardly from the chart, very much like the work area application. Other features include news sources and financial analysis. It was ideal to continue our research and trading experience on a portable platform that felt basically the same as our work area experience. OANDA's client login page is amazing for its functionality. It enables the client by providing various choices that allow them to launch interfaces and manage account particulars, for example, adding or withdrawing reserves, adding sub-accounts, changing passwords, accessing APIs, and contacting client care. Range of offerings. OANDA's main spotlight is on forex, which makes sense given that it advertises that it does all things cash. The range of CFD offerings includes forex, bonds, precious metals, indices, commodities, stocks. Be that as it may, in the US just forex CFDs are available with OANDA offering more than 70 money pairs. US clients can also straightforwardly trade digital forms of money through a partner company. Client care. OANDA's client care is available all day, every day via email. The dealer records its business hours for telephone and live chat support as Sunday 4 p.m. Eastern opportunity to Friday 6 p.m. Eastern Time. OANDA's representatives were gracious and knowledgeable when they were accessible. The help site also has a decent information base and searchable archive that ought to answer most inquiries regarding the trading platforms and request types. Yet, both exceptionally experienced and extremely inexperienced investors are probably going to find this experience inadequate. Education. A progression of educational recordings and articles are available for new and experienced investors alike. Live webinars are also available and cover many subjects, including market analysis, platform education, financial analysis, and Q&A meetings. Minor annoyances include the fact that the images and recordings utilize inconsistent platforms, and some information is obsolete compared to current trading platform releases. Not all of the education is in a single place, and navigation can be troublesome.